Hey everyone, Hasho from Hashtag. After Mi Note 10 series, Xiaomi is set to launch a new flagship called Xiaomi Mi 10. We all know Mi Note 10 has a massive 108 MP camera by Samsung and it became one of the best camera smartphones now. Some of the specs of Mi 10 are listed on the retail store which will be launched on February 2020. Mi 10 comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a dual punch-hole camera sitting at the top right side, much like the Redmi K30 smartphone that launches December 2020. Unlike the Redmi K30, the Xiaomi Mi 10 is set to feature a under-display fingerprint scanner, but it comes with an optical sensor and also includes a 90Hz display. Under the hood, the Xiaomi Mi 10 will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset, which will be paired with an Adreno 650 GPU. A 4000 mAh battery was also available with a support for up to 40-watt fast charging technology. For optics, the Xiaomi Mi 10 will feature a quad rear camera setup with a main 64 megapixel primary sensor. Further, there will be a dual selfie snapper. According to a new report from the retail store, the Mi 10 could be priced at $670. Xiaomi Mi Note 10 is set to launch in India by February. This is mentioned by the Xiaomi VP on Twitter. The main highlights of this smartphone is the 108 MP primary camera with a Penta camera setup. Also, this price is not confirmed yet. Further, let me know your thoughts about the Xiaomi Mi 10 in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Xiaomi smartphone. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. I'm Ashkar from Hashtag.